Hello, welcome to Microfluidics. My name is Kyle Jandrasitz, and I am one of the applications research engineers here. Today we're going to talk about processing a Squalane Nano-emulsion through our Microfluidizer. The Squalane Nano-emulsion simulates a popular vaccine adjuvant. The formulation is made up of a water phase and an oil phase, both containing a surfactant. Each phase will be prepared separately and combined into a premix via rotor stator. The premix will be processed on the M-110P Microfluidizer processor and through the F12Y H30Z interaction chamber configuration at 30,000 psi for 4 passes. Next you will see a demonstration of the Squalane Nano-emulsion being processed on the M-110P Microfluidizer processor.
Hi, welcome to the Microfluidics Technology Center. I'm Kyle Jandrasitz, and today we're going to process on the M-110P Microfluidizer. We're going to process a Squalane emulsion through a Y-type chamber. We turn on the microfluidizer, pull the premix into our inlet, and we'll process for up to 4 passes at 30,000 psi.
After 4 passes, the microfluidizer was able to achieve a D50 of 114.2 nanometers. We hope you enjoyed this video and invite you to contact us to set up your own proof of concept testing with your own formulation.